What's up, guys? I'm back here with another video. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to make Dollar Tree slime. I went to Dollar Tree and got Dollar Tree stuff, and it only came up for $5. Let's get started. First, I got this slime. This kind of did was only $1. It's Jot White Glue. And it's a Kali Glitch. Yeah, I'm sick right now, guys. I'm not gonna need the other one because I just made some.